Okay, Asan Papa. So, without the police inviting me, I'm in my friend, a CID boss, because no matter one from him there, what's it, them. Most in fact, busy them video na brown. Until was who you want to swim. But sir, you be here there over from. I'm so okay. So I'm there and China and Nagasa for a build back there. Seminya wa membra. So I'll give you a step-by-step account. Enti mekro ewiabre that day ewiabre mekro one police for cyber crime unit. And one we check them computer related offenses, IT related. So video now no social media now. Or check them a punch police. When the video be was about we are Bruno. Na check them a one. Into our software was a shame. And those AI generated, one cyber security expert, they have a system what they check the oyenokor and oyenokor and sana. So was it them video no? What they share one software no? And then they realize I asked for that one or a fake. It was AI generated. What was my point? Yes.
Yeah.
At police headquarters. Police headquarters, yes. Into what check what they share one system no won't only a fake. Then they requested from their public affairs department whether they also have a video. Fortunately, the police public affairs department had the video of the whole interaction. So they brought it. Army, the two cyber security experts, another officer, then the director general of CID. Yenina yet now was so computer. And I was police for one verified video. What is shame? Yenina yeshe. Yeshe video new way. Now, it became obvious what had really happened. The Mensampo and Kaka policy in the radar ono ena omahin oznensa fa dem barricade na no was one or the fast no or hit him as I was saying. And it was obvious that after I hit him and I started there, me shout, do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill me? Atmansa. So that is the police video. Then Ibinu Mishisha from I say 121 so police for no ba.
When you say Ibinu Mishisha, what's the meaning?
Oh mine, please, let my thoughts flow. You and I know Kasibi or Wakan Kasakwa. Mr. Binumisha say, Wapede, oh, deal with him, that kind of thing. Ghana, I do know Kromano. But let me commend the police CID boss, Mamino. You see, in your biana, oye Nipabon wa Ghana. Nipabon wa. Now, police, if no sono, I wouldn't be in a rush to say that Sabio police in Bia. I saw professionalism and I'm being very fair. Sendana obasi senza minim. But I saw genuine determination by the police led by the commission CID boss to ensure professionalism. So after that they came to parliament. What about parliament? And woko assess place maybe assembly scene. And I gave them witnesses. There were police officers in parliament. They reprimanded him in my presence. So eventually, a letter was written to Signals Bureau. Signals Bureau. You know, Accra na hunedamano. Accra is like a police state. I mean, what's the right word? Well, I don't know. Police state is not the right word. But I'm saying that Accra that you see like that.
The jurisdiction under police control.
No, police control. Full security. And crying to Menzi Bona in Guankeke. There are cameras all over the city. Accra here. People may not know. Inti Bona. So the police wrote to Signals Bureau to give them the video. Now, conference center, na Parliament House, there are 3 cameras, national security cameras, 3. A core of a conference center or project towards Parliament main entrance. And then we have another one on my left view and another one right view. So 3. 1, 2, 3, all the angles. Omain, I can tell you on good authority. I repeat, good authority. The cyber crime phono will access all the videos, 30 minutes each. They described my conduct as peaceful. That there was no such aggression. It's there. The videos are there. They've done everything. So, you know, when people want to do propaganda and lie, police, it is reporting in was I come Attorney General since June. What I was expecting the Attorney General's office to do, then check quickly what about throw
to clear
to myself. But as somebody be one say in him there was some the wine kasepi to answer. And then when the Deputy Attorney General wanted to do his mischief, he said, "Oh, they have received the report and is going through prosecutorial reviews." I just laughed. I just decided not to respond to him, you know. And they are now, the AG's office is now asking for the video so that they would also watch the video, which is good for me. Because already Chroma no Koribi Iye Juma Sabi Omain Meyejimpa Mutuma Yam Fumdo. But as if you are marine yet on in your day, Sabio minimum bra na mobile police is on peril. But the truth is, that police officer hit me. And the video that the police public affairs department took shows it. And you know,
so what it means is that we'll go through the process with the Ghana Police Service.
Oh, of course, and they have prepared their report and sent it to the AG.
And the report exonerates.
Oh, completely. You can't manipulate evidence. And I am saying that the police did a professional, objective work. They were very fair. At least from what we all watched, they saw it. And Binumus want to say, oh, still one can dig. Because they really wanted to come after Afeyno Markins.
Maybe that's your thinking.
No, I'm saying so.
Maybe that's your thinking, because
yes, that is my thinking.
Who describe the processes as a fair.
I'm saying that is my thinking. Yes, you are right. That is my thinking. It's not everything.
And some of the thinking that you feed into the good of the bigger picture. This is where the difficulty is.
Wait.
So, Oma who coin as a minority leader or sign Wadaroma.
Yes.
Na say. Oma sa feed ni talk Ghana for adwene say well ebinim share chop on their cost ebinim share na mo pese
would you hear
go after this guy?
Would you hear me please enyim da fiti time at the masem see menka say enyim I am measured in how I go about things and enyim that the me egwana metsedo as minority leader no one say me pi. They would come after you. They will attack you. And you been an acre about Parliament. And that, see, some kasa. I was watching it in my office I didn't hear Bibiana. My respond because I'm a party product. Into Azibi Owa, a Jemima, a Kuno. No corso a minimum and Sebio Martina Bemenda. And I keep be politics is to Sebio my yacher. Into in Zamebi Owa, what time for each year, no word of us war. Into no men sorry and Casabi keke. I'm telling you there. After that, Sebi police for aye when ejuma police for now one official video. Public affairs for take warrior assessment no. One there as no. In fact, no quarrel. Afeyno Markins one finance anka police in Bia. Ibinum so one task thought there. Oh okay, one quite deep after all your war. National security cameras all over, and that place, you know, cameras were. And I'm telling you on good authority, all right, on good authority, that 3 cameras, 30 minutes each, all have been viewed, and a report done, and that is the truth.
Are you privy to that report that you claim exonerated you?
If I'm not privy to it, why would I say on good authority?
And why haven't you put that report?
No. Let's give it time.
Ya hangi udino.
Oh, it doesn't
give
matter.
Give a dog a bone.
Nina, share. And some nina in the echo prung iyanun. You become emotional. People can easily predict you. Maybe I hear do a brebo abutar tumbuo. Inti ye bibiana gidi ye minority the wash our whole bakakana then. That should hit you small, aza. And so on phone. Maybe I may do no be a propaganda kakra, ne demika, you become like a crying baby. Leadership requires a lot of patience. It tests your resilience, your agility, your ability to withstand pressure. It's a people are testing. Obi obey BB deliberately. Yansha how Afeyno will react. Like during the vetting process. I mean, I knew what the other side was going to do, and I prepared myself for it. And all they were doing was bait him, get him to do this, and then as I say. But I wanted the Ghana football who how natetia ye mame Justice Gertrude Arabe Saba Tokonu Chief Justice atetia wasn't enough.
We'll get to that point.
Okay, so I'm trying to give you an example there. So in your Bibiana or the gidi because there is a if you saw what is for to divert attention. ABA raise important national issue be at Maza and to divert attention or there was what the on the into no say careful na debiano a Korea to reactor no way no.
Okay, so remember what transpired vetting of a year the nominee Chief Justice, but you
the disputed nominee you mean?
Well, maybe I'm not going to dispute with you over this word dispute.
Right.
That's your opinion. But
that is the opinion of the minority.
That's your opinion. Nobody fights that opinion.
Oh, thank you very much.
Nobody fights it. It can be challenged, but you cannot fight it because you're holding it. So that's your opinion. You talked about your party.
Right.
Which party?
Oman, you mean you don't know my party?
Which party?
You don't know my party? You know that you don't know the party I belong to?
Which party?
The New Patriotic Party, NPP. That is my party.
NPP?
Yes, that's correct.
We have it intact still?
Oman, good question. Let me tell you something. Mamanka Damasemi. Party bia, political party bia, or go through in social P. Share. You know, NDC for and what be me. In 2000, they went through their very low moment. One first time I know we lose election. Our opposition. They had total chaos. There was total chaos in NDC in the year 2001. In fact, history will tell you that the first 2 years of NDC in opposition and the Kufuor, none could even have the courage to come on radio, TV to speak for NDC. Leadership crisis. But they had Alban Bagbin, who was minority leader. Now Okasamo or parliament. Them yen mami hanatete. Onye Omampeyin Mahama. They were the new face. Now Okasamo or parliament. Now what started one radio. Naze. Now by 2004, they had managed to regain momentum to the extent that some seats been put if you won same in 2000 elections, and they took it back. Sunafo, is it a Sunafo South or Sutifi? Thomas Brony, Honorable Thomas Brony.
That's Collins down. Sutifi.
They took
Sutifi South.
They took that seat back.
Yeah.
Ashama seat. We had won Ashama in 2000. They won it back. Dadi Kotopon and few others. By 2008, to the surprise of many, NDC had rebranded and Professor Mills won after 3 rounds. What point am I trying to make here? I'm trying to say that, admittedly, we are having some challenges as a party.
Not just challenges.
It is
to be one.
It is. You can add that to it. I don't mind. But I will tell you today. Nyame ya aduma yebefim anope masam ya krupe to all party full soldiers, party leaders. Inyanya nkote nyi party a ye kodomun sohwe mu masre party mba abutar. I know people have interests. Interest is obia obi. You may have a regional interest, you may have religious interest, you may have tribal interest. But to the extent that you are an MPP member, no, who interest should be MPP and MPP alone. Ibio, a crew year in Yeneziban. For instance, presidential prime minister Okodi. All the yenina ye there after 31st January. Or there, yeah, campaign. The whoever will win. Be it Dr. Baumia, be it Honorable Kennedy Japan. Be it Honorable Educhum or Honorable Brian Achampon. Announced today, many paying Cabinet Japan. We partnering na bobom. Inti yano kasa. Yana na montu. Minimde aza wofre bufu wo binum womu. De dem anadem, but me pede MPP biara olte manope. Okay no there.
Leader,
leader,
deal with the reality. Your party is disgruntled.
I am making
disjointed.
A point. Can you
to the extent that conversations and echoes in between followers of your presidential candidate. They are deepening the woes of the country. The reason why I am passionate about this is that we are a potential government in waiting. Sani catching this before. Some demonstrators are subina and I'm the bar bema. You can't must your time. If you look at the words that are being that party members of you, one presidential candidate, and some even affecting this current administration. How do we entrust power? How do we believe? How do we cut you people to size? Now what opposition and your power? What will you do? So you should admit that at this point there's no party. Where is your leadership? Who is the go-to person in your party? Who is the go-to person? Who regulates the front of the New Patriotic Party now? That's why when you said my party, I asked which party? Because it's coming across that there is no party in existence.
Mpocho area.
Leader me too.
Me kasa. And that's it. Omae, baby a jina na baby a mi jina no. difference be enyim baby awugina wasama kan sesia na za musumrekin difference enyim is approach. I admit that we are having challenges. I admit onu sasunti in America there yen nyina yen hwe azekase na ode hinenyim omayin NDC for our baby. I can tell you from where I sit, all is not well. But what will understand me there are a one party. And that is the spirit I want. I so as MPP. The yezi beshenyenumu na yeza aboyenebra. Party bia numu wasam. Party bia ensem wom. But in be here there, abuter bi bezi nenyim. Ni yenya yawunta asibi there for the sake of the party. Azibi owa yenjim. Asama reken se menyimi nwe bi wa asama. Nye radio do na mene kaka. To the parliament. Na menyimi colleague bi yenye adwena. Na mekaka wo social media no. Inti no menyo ya adwene there. Or there party mbe nyinara wajitumi there internal elections onye atwerko obiare kire na adwen enna se wo to abani wie nsuso a candidate ni nyina oyde wokabom bibinti enna me pronounce wo parliament there nti obeya ahen MPs no yenye neutral nyobia no yeme ya adwen. But za oyam donyi the so far MPs are we declare war campaign, they are being decent. That is my joy. Can all others do same? Sebio a co-campaign am a candidate. Can azar candidating was a frank anishin in sema obotum waye zabua party in Oman Ghana. Intino share in the prosecution. In that press conference, NDC funu because when we there, you know, seem to be wayan. Mama kawaro husembi, make kawaro husembi. It was this hot afternoon. Now make a parliament, and I met there. Watch you wound to me. So me do parliament main entrance into the chamber. I met 3 of young colleagues are Wofi Ashanti region. Omani te hani yeyo. Ana maybe say one day, hey. Na oko yin also walk of na masina wanted there. What you want to me? Anu ya was mama no. No oho kakra. Na another mpre mrebo na ba do meti dunto amaswer. Ye nyina ye wo mfom but another mpre no hu ne so organizer da me kra chamber no musa no kwabna asem we die e say ye 2 anamo quickly organize the members yen walk to Yoko mda ye kaka tene fom ma binum ka say wo hu na aze now kasa ofi enuanoma mission one earlier mampe ana yeso krebe me beto me bisa mo asem bi de into say MPP na ye power and NDC wo opposition and sebio NDC voter regional chairman ana a regional chairman in the north why you bibimpa can we do this? Can he be arrested just like that and humiliated? You dare not. Because if you go to voter region, there's that unity. It could touch a party activist at that level from voter. You won't dare because of unity. Bibi Bopusu. And I realize that a whole Ashanti region, the base MPP yan humi nyina jina Ashanti region na yan regional chairman watching was in it to truthsome them because the opponent realized that there was no unity. But that's massa. In that watch Ruby, in that was a koji bill, in that was a cover property bra. Nina NDC for wo gauge. Oh, Kofunampo, a crew and you want him. It's a crowd on phobia. And you see, you can say that on Yao or you'll be. And NDC for they are very smart. They always follow it up with a narrative. And you're careful, you may think that the person is so guilty. Look at Kwabene Dubois, a whole national security operative. Where Juman Yenim, Mese Morty. Then they put out a narrative, be the Sebi, or we Sika. That is NDC for you. The point I'm trying to make here is that because NDC Funu there, Nyanumi Kruya and Shada, you want him. If you touch one, you've touched that particular one. But if NDC Funim the A, if you go and touch one, you've touched all. They won't. No, won't to mean as some now or the one. No, oh yeah, as if him there. Because of lack of unity in the region. Pertinentum answer worker. And then another one is Yeni Abronye. I know that sometimes people may have their own views about Abronye approach.
It's not about people. Do you have your own view about that as a leader?
Oh, yes, of course. And I've told him. Oh, of course. I mean, I have my own views about the excesses of his actions. I've told him. He's my junior brother. But it does not also mean that when somebody is going after him, the party will disown him. Make our assembly bill. Somewhere 2018, one of the lawyers in my law firm, Okaji NDC in Bini case, the Oriye. It was this investigation, prosecution, EBR. And now, starting also a Brenton or any yanko. Inti, one friend on any case, man. Do you know what happened on my end? A very senior member of NDC called that lawyer in my law firm. No catching the Opedoman weekly updates of the case. Now, every Friday, that woman was calling the lawyer. And Obiskachin, they look, the gentleman is a party product. Now, on one NDC for Warren Makwana Obiakeke in one case. And you know what they did? Julius Zebra no office be Jolu. No office be Jolu. That is where they end. Then they use that office and another office at Cantonment. And one of them two offices. And now what do you worry has? What's now what assess the case no, and then they move as a united force. It's not a matter of Obiru Koni baby, no. NDC ensured discipline. The yes, or your party na our appointment. Na asama bon. So asama bon, it will take the same party machinery to help you. So it's not about Obika for the lawyer, Obiaka for the lawyer, Obiaka for the lawyer. Into any normal cases na didn't. I'm just reminding them that all your party ninti na on social them yield to the party. Na party no one legal representation as in the party will come together. Na you move as a united force. Otherwise, yenu no wa pick a kur was wa kasha wa pick a kur we gueni mase, because they moved with a united voice, and them in a mayo simbiano wayen. Sa ayadama I was so amazing song, I mean kayashe, obi song kayashe, ibon na enyimgwasen was a kaka wonyina. Inti woman yen nyina yen hye so. Oman, look at them onerous bill conditions. Why would it be the Obi say, oh, investigate Obi and cover property worth this in your property now? Look, I mean, come on, continue. Inchesebio, Eko Yoko, and Eko BNI. No one catch the cover property, bra, as a condition for your bail. You decline.
You decline?
Yes, and I'll tell you why. You see, it's a political question. Nimpa no as a cover property. No, what did America? I mean, what can I cover property, bra? Inibi. You gonna kwai. Say Yoko, what starting no na? Obi say, okay, no famutum. Omahin, JB down kona nini anu no. Say self-sacrifice no. Ibi amba nka party no endu baby ayedu ba force akoto ya santin ne chiame NLM odim tintintin buache jako ne papa meka wose oyesi Kenya oye mapa watchire party no oziguan atu no kon ho na wona wo kwa kantam wo name impeyinfo what sacrifice JH mesamo what do work to one. If they were looking at their comfort, they wouldn't have done what they did. I mean, I just want to remind all of us, we should know that it will take collective sacrifice. I'm not saying everything must be perfect, but look, let's go through some pain. Let's go through some pain. Na nejuye nkonyimze baba. I'll give you an example from home. Mr. Father, our friend IK Esibu, obi enyim no wosimpa. Onye police station executive or ye MPP activist. Enyim asem otun 96 Kufone campaign odim din Pomasi Poultry Enterprise. Mr. Father, one or yejumo. Now, after the election, with demoting, neither why bono politics inti or a missing foreman, with demoting wayen was about to the grade of watchman. And now, after that, and also what transfer no crow Ankafu, you know, Ankafu Leprosarium one, just right opposite it. There is an old warehouse belonging to Pomasi Poultry, and one old machines are.
It's not in you.
Onye Juma Kra, what Ogu. Now, what transfer no crow? Do you know what? Mr. Fadonia letter. No, I remember, no, Mr. was in Augustins. Yamakon Yamabefi, obey. Okay, Mammy Esther. Say MPP Nti was a monko anchor for a moko.
His basis was MPP Nti.
MPP Nti, Mr. Fado. And the oh man, Nenu Fra, where's the 84? When's it down? Anytime I show man in him and Nami Raho, Mr. Da. A bra wa party in gender many jenny there, oh man, Nenu Bonwaze. No way would I sacrifice or sacrifice no. And for Subia Bon, oh man, let me continue the story. Oh man, no crow, Ankafu. Na mommy, Okasran, na yako, Ankafua, onye akwatafuno, no nyo, onfano, na still preach MPP wo. When Jaro Hoda, one not the crow retirement, he was never transferred back to Winneba. Obio ye missing foreman, MPP, was no crow Ankafu, the onka watchman. In yada why one. Why ye bonibia na bonani de or your campaign with Jumum Bojat Massa. If or the Srobishenu in the own dubia into party no on to Menimodo. In him then the papa or yes, small sumi MPP and Brusuya Miwi schooler, Mumma Mumudo, Obiaso, Quequesi Bonaba, oh, Atuze. Esibunaba upa penti mekeda me first assembly man na me wini wokojo bedu campaigning nyina no na wo bonizin oh esibu me bi efutu waka de esibu me bi na chede esibunaba.
But the MPP then, the MPP now, there's a big difference.
What I'm trying to I'm making a point. I'm making a point that a house a dump party biara but go through. Yeni nara yenka yenechi. Another example. Sunday was a Sunday. Monday na ya vete no. Sunday I needed to consult all the party elders. As at 2 a.m. na many President Kufuor woni fe webri. O man na where's the 87 o says 87 plus, right? Consulting him for ideas. Mifiwo opinion bisu return. As at 3 a.m. na many Uncle Freddie Blay. O man wo phone do on day. Na many Professor Okwe on day. Yakasa. By 6 o'clock, Monday anopa, medu President Akufo-Addo or say the morning coat. Now, oh sorry, 6 o'clock at that age or a daughter party ninti. And I know many more elders are party ninti was sacrifice. Look, a minister wa Akufo-Addo na bem na Emma NDC for the who be se wungu and the kakasa ma party mpa na wa afro I bo prosecute na woso isro binti a member of parliament e ba kasa na wa shada was e kasa wo be prosecute you. Let them prosecute you. Won't prosecute you where? And so what? E do what you want say yan krofo no mu nti e kasa eme ametie threat upon threat e kai ECG agenda no. It wouldn't make shake because my ECG no will appoint him in July. And my first meeting was end of September. And then I did about 3 or 4 meetings. Most critical most of the time because majority leader na my busy. What the ECG your friend and some was to contain SBIO. Now about prosecute no be from the leader. Yes, kasa many information be national security message one match monko. One match him, my bre. You know, we need to have a psychological defiance be we yet me there. The mean winner in Puno. Emo what is show na social media. I mean social media. Me share debi. In him na forward in some be mam na di bubu ma bema ma block line din. So I'm asking young colleagues, jina wanado politics biano was akukudu na was here. Hey, ichu mutain aban owodo obogu enyim asekakra. Ichu mutain as in trying to do wobotwa to odo.
Is that the kind of democracy you want to practice? When you talk about aban also and ichu mutain the OPB.
Oh, but that is what's happening.
But you bring me back to more parliament as minority. And one of your members former in Chatusobi Abatonoso. What have you as the minority done about the Kaswa member of parliament that or Uditro to get that seat, to almost get your member of parliament, former Ghana's former minister, to get imprisoned, to get jailed, and you are the minority is silent on that?
Oh, Mpocho, let's put things in the right perspective. First of all, Minister of Interior and then the police, whatever investigation they've been very objective.
But as we speak, when you talk about objectivity, where objectivity means that the report has told us that the 2 bodies that were dead, were shot dead, is captured in the report, and the police retrieved those bodies, or they didn't. And what
I'm saying is that on the aspect of Hawakumsin, I'm saying that the allegation was that Hawa Nawai Bibi.
Yeah.
And then they came out clear there. Hawa Onyashim Masa. They've also said that the other member of parliament, the Rabana Owineno, Wamfano Koribi, Anto Masa. Now, Hawa has issued a statement to say that no coroner says you'll be Masa. For me, advice Amesba man Mankawaha. Whatever that I would say to Hawa on what steps she should take, and for that matter the party, I think that these are matters that I will not raise them now. It's a matter that I would raise it at the appropriate forum within the party structure. I will not raise it now.
So when you have public office, maybe difficulty is the word. He's been objective, he's been fair. So when you enter public office, what is it there that you're going to do? To be biased, not to be objective, not to be fair, not to be principled, not to be honest, not to be transparent? That is the kind of thing you want us to operate.
Ideally, that is how it's supposed to be. That a police officer investigating a matter, a minister of state in a public office would have to be fair, candid, asamano, modano, osboto. But again, we operate in a political system. So where you see fairness, you are tempted to comment, because it doesn't often happen. But ideally, that should be it.
But that's the challenge. That is why taxi driver sika on kemu no the abano mani muina ebosi. What is the responsibility of the title of that? Who sika said that okay mu
into mfa.
So where is the praise coming from? Where's it coming from? That is how far you are telling us that we've gone in terms of the social fabric. You're deteriorated to that extent.
Unfortunately, that is what it is.
Who is supposed to do his work.
Unfortunately, that is what it is. That is what it is.
It also tells us the kind of people we have engaged to occupy the public office.
Omayin, me just there. Anope, a high yeti. Yan discussion aye. One objective of it is to shape public opinion.
But for how long are we going to shape this opinion?
In terms of how aye enzama Ghana. Because nzame piwa dembre mezi kanaka. For instance, a whole chief justice or yenejuma obi akachistro petition no sabio what's the work and wasam asam no one way yo. What the 3 petitions? Three we first one a date for hearing. The next thing is a non-new judge or say why a report.
Okay, so who say this matter of the Chief Justice is of concern to all of us? Yes, not just the minority, all of us. So what was the purpose opting out of this big opportunity?
No.
To unleash whatever it is.
No.
You missed that opportunity.
We didn't. Let me explain. You see, principle is principle. If you raise a preliminary legal issue, there are court cases. Court in Bua Samano. Musi yam vets nimpana oye a bafubone a judge no. Onu no den choy the oil panel judges no would asaman. Okunko 1 year because on him do benefit from this. Yes, they be me vet na. What it means is that I'm saying it's a legitimate nomination,
but an opportunity to put to him that what
it is not about that
benefit from
it's not the best
as a country.
Once you raise the preliminary issue and you've been overruled, you don't proceed to give oxygen to the next stage. No, it is never done. The right thing we did was at the time was to tell them there azina wo ye no onye yeruntum nkan na yenye. That is why yesterday you vote against it. We are not going to vet him. To what end? You can vet him to what end? Nimpa no abatra honum sebe. Was there any spare to prick the size of his intent? Was not only voting ambition, by the way. Voting ambition. How? Wabetro also one vetting. Only me there. Nimpa or Chief Justice no. One now was in a system. In what the way Justice for one teenage. Nenuaje or Cecil. Ye look. The judiciary for Nankasa why no One day.
And that's the language.
It will come and haunt they themselves.
We are sad the development and growth of this country becomes a challenge. Now the minority talks, the MPP talks, the opposition talks, and it's sir. And yes, say Nyame ya adom ni eba dia. And ya ajo kofa UN General Assembly dan ba. Ajo kofa Buckingham Palace ba. Ansa nyama bill. What country are we building? Is that the? What country are we building?
Have you been?
Why can't we tell them straight that these conditions that you are giving us for bail, it's unreasonable, it's unimaginable, it's unthinkable. You are not doing what Parliament but most of them interest of Parliament. The majority, the minority works out because an individual. They feel that the processes is wrong. They've boycotted it. Make up na santima to aba ma Afeyno Markins. Wabe jina manem we futu. Esutifi north. Matu za atingarama eye eben. Wanoso ako jina baby. So whose interest are you serving? Partisan interest or the national interest? Which one? You missed a constitutional opportunity to go through the details of your challenges as minority, serving the interests of most of us as Ghanaians who want to know more about 3 reasons that I still feel that it's unfounded, it's unfair: allowances, transfer, and then recommendation to a president that you can appoint as soon as you are Benting, which the person has the right. That was the opportunity that you missed.
Can I answer you?
That's Osayini.
Thank you. Omain, first of all, I think that if you yourself, you are being fair to me and following my advocacy in the public space, at Parliament and at programs that I attend, you realize that consistently I've been saying that let's end this vicious cycle of I do you, you do me. I hope that you've been hearing me say that. Because you see, Ghana is all we have. But it is also not MPP pe in order can wasam. I want our media, civil society organizations. So far, unfortunately, maybe CSOs are giving NDC some honeymoon, maybe. But so far, all the human rights advocacy groups that I know have been very quiet. This bill, I think that no pay yakan wasam. I've been loud on this matter, and I've been consistently saying that look, Ejumankade obi sebio when yasam intino kofe japazibra ansana wa mobile as if there was a bill number 1. Look at what happened to a former boss MD Orutukwan Namozinato, your friend then stop this without telling him. Hey, it's yenyanum NDC for dachi. The me edru win I wasn't to be no one touch amadui. And a woman won't be a wobotu wa tefre, wobotu wa mini. Emi debia me phone me catch one. Omayin debiara nwana wote asaman me phone ma catch the bro. Zamu ye munhwe ne yo. Because oyasefim, your aim is to disgrace, embarrass. But in the end,
is that their aim or the law at work?
Oh, come on. Oh, man, come on. And some of our judges too. One also is like, I want to please my master, so bail condition. First of all, Obi Nanto, Obi is serve Obi criminal summons. Nanankasa or Nanto ba court dame. That is the first honor on our court. There. Only baby ako mbojat masa. Then if you are a judge, Nanyimpano will issue criminal summons, and he or she walks into your court. Ebia Nyimpano was on inquiry bail, or report to the police. Then the person comes, and then him and bail has to go for a japaze so and so to commensurate with your friend then amount now. State in a charge with. Then you, the judge, ab initio, you are claiming that Nyimpani are guilty. Because otherwise, Obi Botuma Bokwe do not work there 1 billion. Then you, the judge, will say that no for properties worth 1 billion, bro. How? So this Asama Rukin let's direct it at the Attorney General and the state actors. Because one na sesiano bibiara Ethiopia or super majority. It is even becoming difficult to speak in Parliament. There appears to be a new culture of silence coming up in Parliament. Watch the programs, watch proceedings. There's a way, a subtle manipulation. They wouldn't want you to.
But you draw the speaker's attention to that effect.
Omahin, I beg you. I don't want to go there. Since you're careful, you get threatened. Can you imagine that your friend and Chief Justice vetting? Two of my colleagues were reporting, Mama, there, leader. Can you imagine what the majority MPs are saying there? You people, if you are not careful, Mr. Speaker will suspend you. Hey, right now, say Inyaku could run into Parliament. I'm telling you, Mr. Inyaku Kudra, Parliament, they don't even want you to talk. Musimukita 189. Yet you fear the mighty few, 87. Since the NDC, if Wonyampa was the speaker, back on 190. Wonya, the slightest thing they will run to speaker, and they will find a way so that speaker will even rule against you. That is all they are doing. You have 189. In fact, we 100 nifim, not 89 in power. You are more than our 87. Anna. So what are you afraid of? Omahin, the intimidation, the attacks. I mean, yes, maka. Sometimes procedure now, one can say follow procedure in the Parliament. That's a national anthem. You don't follow procedure. When you are even following procedure, the frustration, you file a motion. It takes about 10 days before you are told at midnight that your motion has been declined. You file the motion, and file the motion. Look, the frustration is just too much.
So it's a partisan nature. I'm represented at the Augusta House there, not the national. There is the national character. If you say you are there to serve the interest.
I don't think the NDC has become so intolerant in Parliament. Look, I and my colleagues go through hard research. We come into the chamber prepared. We expect that they would also prepare. The procedure is that today their strategy is point of order. And you could see from their posture there, they don't even want us to talk. If you are 189, Ebazinti in Esro 87, Mebo, you have 189. Ebazinti in Esro 87. Maybe for the first time in the history of Ghana's parliament, a minority leader who is asserting his rights may end up being sacked from parliament for asserting his rights.
But that's not possible.
Well, I can see signs of that. They want to frustrate, to break you up, break them down, break them into the one. That's what they intend doing. We hear a lot. How do you clip the wings of Afeyno Markins? How do you clip the wings of Anodompre? Some of our former ministers, our MPs, some of the Akufo-Addo appointees who are MPs, will be one who kete now I send one text message. Even me, I've said it. Me. The messages on my phone. Last year, a non-NPP activist could send me a message. Oh yeah, it's not easy. I want to encourage your colleagues in Yinade. Wonya kukudru na wonjina pinti ne bibiara wa nember. And I want to say media no. We need one full support to point out some of these excesses, because Parliament is now becoming a one-party parliament of full dictatorship.
We'll get back to the dictatorship, but point is that now you've missed that glorious opportunity that constitutional requirement, you could have maybe done the job as an opposition party, criticizing or subjecting the nominee to the relevant questions.
I think I've explained to you.
So we missed this point. What's the next point again? How are we going to go about it, on the floor or what?
If you heard me, at the committee level, I stated that an objection grounded on principle. There was no point in going the next stage to vet. No. On the floor, in the day you were going through the draft reports, there were a few mistakes. The clerk corrected, the chairman and I, Yeshim, will meet over the final. Definitely, they would lay the report and would repeat our argument on the floor. We'll repeat our argument unless their next strategy will be that we shouldn't speak. The whole country would see. But we will repeat our case and make our case known. The Ekwana was it Justice Tokonu Fadono on yet. And it is very premature. We would object to the motion. And so now the motion is, when they bring the motion, that is the time that the full-blown argument can suffice. It was the time, because now you are moving the House to adopt a report. So now is the time. We've not missed any opportunity at all. We've not missed any opportunity.
But as a party, as minority,
now is the time.
More acknowledge you said we have a Chief Justice now, almost.
Omayin, I won't answer that question. I will not.
Do you agree?
Omayin, I will not answer. It's not every question I have to answer.
But Omayin, we cannot progress because the point is
Omayin,
here is a situation.
Omayin, you won't get that answer from me.
Well,
can we make progress? Let's be fair.
Is that acknowledgement now?
Be fair to me.
Will you appear?
I will not answer that question.
That
Omayin, I will not answer.
Is on the verge of getting a new Chief Justice.
I know that there is a disputed nominee who himself was the lead architect of a conspiracy against his own colleague.
Very unfair comment.
Well, that's my opinion.
Very unfair comment.
First of all, how can you, being the one to empanel the court, swiftly empanel for the purpose of injunction, but fail to empanel to hear the substantive case? Omayin, okoto dia nebujo won yenjaisa dia omodia ye Chief Justice Tokonu no enye adena sebe edu se wo be empanel ne wetie asem no de court no empanel. By the way, Attorney General says of file defense or shada one file defense or twenya membre ni twemu ansafe or file motion for leave to file out of time or leave to file on per extension of time. Why did the God grant that? All the time now Attorney General and filing, are then a court issue hearing notice? Are then a court to issue hearing notice? Oh my dear Obi Obeka say, my Lord Bafu Bonnie, dear a course no, Ninsen Shem no, and now on Kahu. Nenipano onim dear course. Look, Mama Mamia Brown, what it Mamisa? What it Mamisa? Na we are sina ye wono. Se ebia would you be in there and there? Nasa would dear ufi se winyana. Ebia na echina. Na akoye ana wofasi bi ana wunu bi.
But if there was something untoward, that we have the judicial service, we have a yet relevant.
Is she even getting fair hearing?
But listen, why are these people not? Her colleagues,
they don't want to.
Her colleagues, why are they?
They should answer.
Why are they not coming out to that effect?
Me say.
Is Chief Justice now a member of the New Patriotic Party? Is she a member of the New Patriotic Party?
Even lawyers on our side, yeah, lawyers, MPP for lawyers are. Omoka asem we bi no, they get calls threatening, hey mo de ukebia ukezi ba court unwinio chese eye time oman eye time oman you don't know me say a judge, a Supreme Court judge told my colleague Jerry Ahmed Monday that you are a nemesis. You have no idea the threat. Oh, Omahin, in sem na
Supreme Court judge can we are anyone can say manage now.
Omahin, me say in sem na ya kan wasem. Me say Omahin, me see the threat. No, Ghana is getting into some new era of culture of silence. It's like wunim na okaka. Yeso mu. Me see the threats on me. Me tell you. The threats, several of them. All the attacks, but me see Jerry Ahmed, the second deputy minority whip, was told by a Supreme Court judge that you are my nemesis on the corridor. Now, Mr. Jerry, to what dream? I hear media threats and Afeyno case back court. Some of our people have the woman is fear bia somumu, especially some of our lawyers. Say, hey, wunim na ukakebia, ukesi ba mu enimu a, wan hwa na, omo be jeje.
I don't want to buy that. But I don't want to buy that. But judges are not there to pay people back.
Look, when I was vetting,
what is that supposed to mean?
When I was vetting the 7, you know the 7 that we vetted.
Yeah.
The 7 that we vetted.
Yeah.
Omo, of this program, I will show you text messages. Okay? Me de chew. Na wu dia ye kom. Enyoma ye fem. E nyankopon adaroma. Ene ye nya akukudro bi mpo se ye kasa e wo parliament. E din. Oman ye din o. Enintina as no pay dia woka about MPP unity no. Me no ye adwen say if as a party yentumi anka yen wan bom na ekro ye amba yen temu a ebe ha ma hu se eyewo o wo de hu so wo de wadanfo ni NDC ni bi ana se judge bi ye wadanfo nti obebo ho ban ade ebetumi abo ho ban ne wo party na wo dom no wo interest and wo party.
So why is it that the legislature, politicians, and the judiciary more interfere so deep in our judiciary, sir? Why is it so?
No, I don't.
Why is it so?
I don't think
that separation of power seems not to be there.
It is NDC that is doing it.
It is the MPP who started it.
Started with what? Who? Give me example.
But how are you jumping into conclusion that?
But it is obvious. You come and you say you are.
It was not obvious.
But do you remember Georgina Wood? There are so many ways to kill a cat. Do you remember that one?
Yeah.
NDC bar power 2009. They made attempt they made attempt say ombeyi Georgina Wood.
The former NDC chairman, the blessed member.
Thank you. The omuye ya ena your friend say judges magistrate association for sorry also. This is not the first time. Mr. Wood, this is not the first time. There is a new fear bia. Hey, Omahin, Sesiano wo kasa kra na. Look, some of my colleagues in parliament. Ebia me hwehwe mo me se o adena. Ebia say wo be kasa wo we hu na bia wa send no message or the akyerɛw. Enyo bia na ewosa akukudro no. The threats obi o wan yes wa ye boni o onye boni, but the fact the embarrassment na omudi ubekom no.
But you shouldn't, if that is the case. Adna mo tinasia mama Ghana suffer the consequences of good.
That is why we are all sacrificing now. Me de me de me kra nyina abo afariama o my Ghana. Any party na edimisiwa me say se me tu me car na me kɔ adwuma nyame na me nenenam. Me kɔ winiba me de therefore na ekɔ. Dia me ye bia no o therefore Bible na mesre me ma obi emfa ehu enhye me mu eya na me bi send this for say speaker Aban Bagbin or your minority leader o kai say time as speaker or your minority leader or to me de kufo kwa shraj o kai then ya di ye no obi an ye ne hwe speaker 8 parliament Akufo-Addo as president ye bibimna speaker ntiasia otumi ye press conference and responded to President Akufo-Addo anameboa. Did anything happen to speaker? So I don't understand why NDC for no there. Omo yes so intolerant. Okuja to Ablakwa and the foreign minister. Oye owo opposition and fear what tria na MPP wa baimu. Assemble na Ablakwa nka. What is say ya chinada and I would say obi atreteno. What is say a aban state security official be attracting Ablakwada. You see, but you know no there. And there omun pay criticism. And there wokasa point of order. Say omun for no point of order. Mr. Speaker, point of order. Omun di omun to me kasa. Ube kasa pepe point of order. Omun sa assembly wo mo pepe and so omun for kwan bi so speaker so omun point of order. Na ya frɛ omo na wo say ruling no and na mo en favor o ye de dem wona ye wo no we yenim say ruling bia en favor ye wo kasa unya asem wo kasa now your language is being censored wo kasa is say wo ka kasa bia e ye obi de ayesa ye be stop you.
All right,
adan na say bansa into my yebetumi yebeye dia yebetumi aye yen give it up said dia omu en give it up no sa na yesu en give it up. Now I want to take this opportunity to repeat one more time. MPP impenimfo mumma yen sorry den ye baako ye grassroots for no ebre ye bubu omabem ye mo omakoma ebubu omu they are looking up to us saying leaders no yebetu anamo bi na omo so etumi hold the base of the party into no yimaye ma obi enfa ehu bi enhye yemu ye party no mpanifo omo kekire na dia kokudro JB Dan Koko wu prison JB Dan Koko wu prison bafo akoto omo nyina di eyi omusika omo ahondi enuonyam ye chesi omo say ye chi omo ye mpenifo ni bebre ye kode da prison se na omo dwin omo ho a nka omo nyesa they would have said hey me hwe me yene member me ye lawyer ma me nko me court me nko ye medjuma me sro omo a JH Mensa o lead parliament 96 akukudro a omo ye 61 JH Mensa akukudra oni ne dom lead parliamenta nyamiada woma kufo enya tumi 2000 Ghana enya the first change of government ye betra abemu 8 years no sa akukudro ni bi ena ye nyina sese ye nya na ye sum party no minim sa party bia mu asem obi bedi we sisem obi ye bibi obi kra onye bibi ema obu bisa no wa maw ni nyina si NDC. They are also going through their worst situations, but because of party interest in Tino, they are together. Aden and yen so yen ba together. Na yen ya ade baaku. No, omu who say hey in Crawford, hey united. Trust me, there are things that they will not do. Na say to me, share my yen near wound to me, or go through a system or go through, and wound to me as chairman of regional a brand the highest vote. Na say a man who go through SAS attitude. That's a partner to me and sorry and tie chair. All because you feel say you want to me. Adia betcheno no almost as be at their toes also. Na obi any will be defendo. One by one, no move to two. Inti anopay kasening na jina. Unity. Well, and nothing more.
Osahene, medase for this conversation. I'm sure say soon I'll have you back to talk about this new government on matters of the stability of the city, the fight against illegal mining, job opportunities, and the creation of wealth for the Ghanaian. But I wish you all the best. But today, for the interest of all of us, more insights as to some of the names and the people are more intimidating, frustrating, harassing. Of interest to me is some judges you say it me I can't say my any say
unfortunately, that is what is happening. The threats. You see, Mammy Min and Semi Pio, and some Biowa, Eta Nayezi, in Yado Obisio. Some of them they go direct, they send message. I want you should be careful the way you are treating us. Hey, you as a judge, it's your ruling now. You are able to even criticize state authority and something going wrong in society. But if an individual expresses an opinion, no. How do you say call a minority deputy whip that you are a nemesis because we express opinion? By the way, are you aware that my Lord Bafuboni, there's also a petition against him? Why hasn't the government taken action? Why hasn't the petition been referred to the Council of State? A petition was duly received at Jubilee House. The person signed, gave a date, gave her name, duly received several weeks ago. Why hasn't it been referred to the Council of State? Why hasn't there been any action against him? But Tokonuze, Sebio, Wayinezi. Right. Because why a transfer? Because where to can transfer no Anna. Acting Chief Justice on your transfer.
Of course,
Acting Chief Justice on your transfer.
We'll meet some other time. OPD, thank you. And I'm a real brain minute. Forgive me.